Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make scrunchy hairband. So I'm going to make use of this Ankara fabric, US shoe, Alice band, scissors and tape rule. So guys, these are the measurements we'll be using for the scrunchy hairband. This Ankara fabric is on fold, but let me measure it. (44.5). You can make yours to be 45 inches. Then the width of this is 10 inches width. That's the first Ankara fabric we are using. Then this will be for the Alice band. The length is 16 inches by 2.5 inches. This is the inner fabric for the scrunchie. The length is 36 inches and the width is 2 inches. So we'll start with this part of the Ankara fabric. You pick your Alice band and you measure. So I have like 14.5 inches and the width is 1.75. So that's why I have 16 inches here. I added 2 inches extra. So what you need to do is to pick your US shoe. You're going to wrap this Alice band with the Ankara. Just apply your US shoe on your Alice band this way. When you are done applying your US shoe, place your Ankara fabric wrong side facing up. You can start combing this way. So make sure your Alice band is at the center of your fabric. So you just go this way. You can use your hand to smoothen it. If you have too much excess on this down part, you can trim it a little. Then we are going to fold this part in this way. I will still apply my US shoe inside the Alice band. When you are done, you start folding in your Ankara fabric. Start folding from here first, from this tip first. Fold this way. Fold this tip first, this way. And fold this other part too. So you can now fold it. Push your Ankara fabric in. After folding in this side, you fold this other side on it. So this is what the hairband looks like. You can see the inside is still rough. So I'm going to wrap this inside. I'm going to cover it with bias this way. So what I will do is to apply UA shoe, and I will use bias to cover it. So you can see how neat the band looks now. So now we'll make the ruffles. This Ankara fabric is 44.5 and the width is 10 inches width. So you fold it this way. Run a straight stitch from this end to this end on your sewing machine. You can also use needle and thread. So I go to my sewing machine and stitch. So guys, I've gone ahead and stitch. I stitch to the back of the Ankara fabric. So I will turn inside out to the right side. So I turn the fabric, and the part that I stitch is in the middle, as you can see. I set it at the middle part. So you take this Ankara fabric you want to use for the inner part now. I said the width is 2 inches and the length is 36 inches. So with the help of our safety pin, we're going to push this through this Ankara fabric here. You just start pushing like that. When you are pushing, make sure the sewn part is at the middle. At the middle part when you are pushing. So as you are pushing this in, you can pin this down so it doesn't go inside. You can use your pin to pin it down while you continue pushing in. Making sure that your sewn part is at the middle. You can push in your Ankara fabric now to form your ruffles. This part, fold it this way, ½ inch in this way. And you fold this way. You use a pin to hold it down. And you fold this part also this way. The first folding, then you bend this way. So I'll go to my sewing machine and run a straight stitch. So guys, I've stitched this part, you can see. So you can now form your ruffles now. You can put your ruffles on your Alice band to know how you want it, the length you want it to be. If you have gotten the length you want, I want my own to be this way, then you can cut off this excess Ankara fabric here. And you fold in ½ inch. With this one you cut, fold in ½ inch and you hold it. still going to fold same way. Fold this way. Fold this way. Fold this way. Fold this way. Then I'll go to my machine and run a straight stitch. So guys, I've stitched this other side, and this is what our scrunchie looks like now. So you're going to place this way, and you start applying. You can use USU to do that, but I'm going to use hot glue to start applying this. And mind you, I am applying from the side I will stitch where the Ankara fabric meets, as you can see. So the knit side is here, so I'm applying. I'll be gumming it that way. This side should be down, so I'll start applying my hot glue and I'll gum this. You're going to hold it down for your glue to dry. Look guys, our gum is dry and we are basically done with our scrunchie hairband. So this is the finish of our Ankara scrunchie hairband.